Welcome. In this video, we will explore largest contentful paint or LCP. It is one of the Google's core web vital and a key factor in measuring websites' performance and user experience. LCP measures how long it takes for the largest visible element on a page, like an image, video, or a text block, to fully load within the viewport. LCP is about perceived load speed. Even if smaller elements load quickly, users judge your site's speed by when the main content appears. Google's scoring system is like good is less than 2.5 seconds. Need improvement is of 2.5 to 4 seconds, whereas poor means more than 4 seconds. LCP is often delayed by large images or background banners and slow server response time. Also, render blocking, JavaScript or CSS, and client-side rendering delays. To improve LCP, you should optimize and compress images, use a fast hosting service and CDN. Also, you can minify CSS and JS files. Preload key resources like fonts and hero images. You can measure LCP using Google Page Speed Insights, Lighthouse, Search Console Core Web Vital reports. Since LCP is a core web vital, it's a ranking factor. A poor LCP score can reduce your visibility in Google search result. To recap, LCP measures how quickly the largest content load. Aim for under 2.5 seconds to deliver a fast, user-friendly website that performs better in SEO. Thanks for watching. Check your site's LCP today using Google's tool and optimize it for faster load times. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.